We're excited to introduce you to Dust, a platform that lets your organization create smart AI agents without any coding. Dust makes AI practical for your team through customizable agents that are easy to use and easy to discover. Okay, let's start with an example. We've built a follow-up agent, which is here to actually take action after any meeting that I had with a prospect. So I'm going to upload the transcripts of a meeting that I just had with a prospect and let the agent work. This agent has been prompted to analyze the meeting transcripts and take action if necessary. Here you can see that it's asking me to look at my Google Calendar because it wants to see when I'm available. Now you can see that it's actually drafting a follow-up email and asking me to create that draft in my Gmail. If I open the details here, I can see that the recipients are the people that were in the meeting, and I can see the actual email if I want to. I'm going to allow this action and let the agent continue. Now it's actually asking me to send a calendar invite, which I'm going to allow as well. During its work, it's pulling information from our CRM records, customer story databases, our Google Drive, etc., etc. It's taking info from a lot of different sources, and now it's actually trying to create a lead in HubSpot because that prospect is not in HubSpot yet. I'm going to allow it as well. So with one single agent here, I did all the follow-up actions that I needed to do with my meeting. It drafted an email in Gmail, sent a calendar invite, created my prospect and my deal inside of HubSpot, and actually summarized everything it did and why. It basically turned a few hours of work into a few seconds. Okay, so if we look under the hood, Dust connects to a lot of data sources, from Slack to Microsoft Teams to Google Drive, etc. It doesn't need anything technical on your side to do so. You can also call Dust where you work, like in Slack, in Google Sheets, in your browser as an extension, or in Zendesk if you work in support. Creating a new agent is amazingly simple. You can either start from a template or start from scratch. Type a few instructions, and then you can attach knowledge or tools from whatever you plugged into Dust. You can also add pretty much anything as an MCP server. And the great thing is that you can put Dust inside of your workflows through Zapier, NA10, Make.com, or any automation system you use. So are you ready to transform your team's productivity? Dust is the platform for organizations that are ready to deploy AI at scale. Don't hesitate to explore our solutions pages to see how teams like yours are already saving hours every day. We've got a ton of use cases you can look at. All right, see you around and just use Dust.